All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So look through. To browse among something. To look through the shop. I just want to look through the book. We're looking through the shop now. Just looking through it. What's this? What's that? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I will look through the book and share my thoughts. Yeah. Just browse through. Just casual. Okay. Just look through it. See what you think. Yeah. How cool is that? We are just going to look through the shop and see what is there. Yeah. He looks through the book. Yeah. I will spend time to look through the book and see what is happening. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I looked through the book last night. Yeah. Yeah, he looked through the book as well. He always looks through the books. You should look through the books, files, documents. Look through the folder before you decide which one to buy. Very good. Yeah. We are looking through it together. Yeah, we're looking through it together. Yes. It's important that you look through it now. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Do you think they will have time to look through it? Yeah, they might not have much time to look through it. It just depends on what happens now. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. It depends on things. Yeah. How cool is that? So look through, just to browse things. I'm looking through the shop. I'm looking through the museum. I'm looking through the catalogue for ideas. I am looking through the files now for the answer. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Now, can you use look through in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. Or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.